In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger email. Whether you're switching to a new email provider or simply want to update your contact details, these steps will ensure a smooth transition. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger homepage. You can do this by simply typing hpanel.hostinger.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look around for the Login button if you aren't already signed in. Enter your credentials, and once you're successfully logged in, you're set to begin the process. Moving on, you'll need to access your account information. On the dashboard, locate the section that pertains to your account settings. This is where you can manage all your personal details and preferences. Look for a tab or a section labeled Account Information. Clicking this will bring you to a more detailed view of your account settings, which is exactly where we need to be for the next steps. Now that you're in the account information area, it's time to focus on the email settings. You'll notice a section dedicated to email. This section is pretty straightforward and easy to spot. Click on Email, and a new window or section will open up, giving you access to modify your email details. Here comes the crucial part. You'll now need to enter the new email address that you wish to use. This step is as simple as it sounds. Just type in your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check it for accuracy, as this email will be integral to your account communication and recovery options. Once you're confident that the email is correct, go ahead and click Continue. At this point, Hostinger's system will send a confirmation email to the new address you've provided. This is an important security step to ensure that the new email is valid and reachable. Head over to your email account and look for a message from Hostinger. If it doesn't appear immediately, try checking your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you locate the confirmation email, open it and follow the instructions inside to finalize the change. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Hostinger email. It's advisable to log back into your Hostinger account with the new email address to confirm that everything has been updated correctly. That wraps up our tutorial for today. By following these steps, you should be able to change your Hostinger email without a hitch. Keep this guide handy for future reference, and feel free to share it with others who might need a little help navigating their Hostinger settings. Thanks for tuning in, and happy